Hey, it's Shay here again, and in this video I just want to show you what a successful $250 per day campaign looks like. And I specifically show these campaigns to my students to continue motivating them, to prove to them that if they follow what I teach them, they will make money online. And I know you're looking to do something similar because you clicked on this video. So I just want to show you this recent campaign that I just started again to hopefully motivate you and show you that it is still possible to start something new online and to really make money online, especially if you never have before. Or maybe you are making a little bit of money, but you're looking to get to that next level and you just don't quite know how just yet. With my help and your willingness to follow along, you can make it happen. So let me just jump into this campaign right now. I've just got it set to the 8th of May right now. So this is actually, I only just started the campaign on the 8th. Okay, and this is normal. The campaign is only small when you just start it. All right, so I'm just going to go from the 8th to today. Let's go to today. So the 11th, I'll just hit run. Okay, and I'll just expand these ones out because these are the main campaigns. Other ones I just was split testing, and the campaigns that stand out from the others are the ones that we focus on. This is all part of the training and everything that I show my students. So as you can see, the start date, the 8th, okay, started late on that day, didn't start right at the start of the 8th. So it's technically not even really, I'd say a quarter of a day maybe on the 8th. So 2 full days. This is 2 campaigns, by the way. Okay, so this line in red, or the darkish, reddish, maroonish color, okay, whatever you want to call it, it is 2 campaigns. This is 1 campaign, this is another campaign. All right, and the totals are there for the 3 days on average. Even today is not, not even quite halfway through the day yet. It's just in the morning. But I really enjoy showing these new campaigns, especially to my students, because it keeps them motivated. It proves that, if you know what you're doing, you can create something new. You can continue to do it over and over. And sure, I could show them campaigns that I've had running for years that make plenty of money, but that doesn't really prove the point that I'm trying to make with these videos and these campaigns. Okay, I have to prove to my students that someone who has never made $1 online can start a new campaign today and start actually making money. And that's exactly what I'm doing here for you as well. So you can see exactly what actually only my students really get to see. So if we average this out, we could say, the 10th, the 9th and the 10th is a full day. We could say, the 8th was only a quarter of a day. Let's just add these up, the 8th and the 11th, and say another half day even though it's not really a full day even for that. We'll just say 3 days. Okay, I just really love showing these new campaigns to my students. It motivates them so much, again, because it proves that if you know what you are doing and how to do it, you can start a new make money online campaign. And I want to show you exactly what I'm doing. All you have to do is take action right now. Just click the link at the top of the description. It'll be a bit.ly link at the top. Click that now. Click the link and go to my site. And I'm also going to go to my site right now. I'll just go to my site so you can see. So this is it. As soon as you are here, first click the link in the description of the video. You'll visit my site. And as soon as you are here, click the access button, enter in your best email, and I'll give you instant access to everything my students see and much more. So go ahead, get started right now. Click the link, enter your email right now. Let's get you to making your first $1 online. Let's get you to making more than $100 online at least. And let's do it as fast as possible. So go ahead, click the link in the description, enter your email address on my site, and I'll work with you soon.